Hey class, here's another dose of Upcat Math Review. Some people were asked whether they like strawberry ice cream or chocolate ice cream. 82% said they like strawberry, and then 70% like chocolate. 4% said they like neither. So, kapag Venn diagram problem, make sure na marunong kayo mag-interpret ng Venn diagram. So, i-redraw lang natin siya. So, itong unang circle na to, ito yung nagre-represent sa mga gusto ng chocolate. And then yung isa naman is strawberry. Okay? Chocolate, strawberry. And then, tandaan nyo na yung rectangle, ito yung kumbaga nag-signify nung universal set. And then, since we're talking about percentage, automatic ang universal set natin is 100%. So, ngayon, sinabi na yung may gusto ng strawberry ay 82%. Pero gagawa ako ng simpleng equation na kung saan itong S plus B is 82. Bakit? Kasi itong S, ito yon, ito yung part na yan, ng Venn diagram natin. Itong B na to is ito yan. B meaning both. They like both chocolate and strawberry. So, dun sa 82% na yun, kasama dun yung mga may gusto din ng chocolate. Okay? And then, the other equation I can do is, yung mga may gusto ng chocolate only, plus both, and then, yun yung 70%. Okay? And then, since alam natin na ito ay chocolate only, plus yung both, which is the intersection, plus strawberry only, ilan dapat ang total yan? Ilang percentage? Eh, di ba may 4% ka na neither? So, ibig sabihin, meron ka pang natitirang 96%. Okay? And then, by looking at these equations, yung B plus S, kita mo doon, it's a total of 82. Okay, di ba? So, masasolve ko dito yung value ng C. Kasi ito 82 na eh. So, 96 minus 82, that is 14. So, ibig sabihin ng C is 14. And then, kung isubstitute ko yung 14 dito sa second equation, so 14 plus B is equal to 70%. And then, anong value na ng B? 70 minus 14, which is 56. So, the answer is 56%. Okay?